Hi folks, this is just another test of the Hover Air X1 at higher than ground level flight. I intend to use this along some mountainous roads in the European Alps, so just to get a little bit of perspective than the GoPro stuck to my helmet. I understand it's not a fully fledged drone, but I'd like to identify its limitations in a semi-controlled environment before tossing it off a cliff, never to be seen again. So far, I'm happy with its performance in the situations I've tried. On my way home today, I saw a great place to try out where the elevation is approximately 40 metres. In the not too distant future, I'll head out there and give it a try.